everyone, Nicole here with Cellbotics. So I'm on my way to a meeting. I'm actually taking a class today about sales and business. That's one thing about Cellbotics. We're always growing our own skill set because then we can bring that into class. And I wanted to talk about a question that I got. So someone asked me, like some of you do, why are you better? Why should I come to you? And I'm going to tell you, like I have in other videos, that is a very hard question because we are nothing like any other course that's out there. Most courses just focus on the hardware piece, and that's good. That's what some people want. Some people, maybe they have a job and they're just trying to get hardware training. That may be something that they're looking for. But our courses are built for people opening businesses in the repair industry. So you are getting repair training. Yes, everything is hands-on. We don't use a projector or anything like that. You're not going to sit and listen to lectures for hours. This is working hands-on on devices. But we also give you a full business scope. That's not how to get an LLC. Anybody can Google that. It's how to run a business in the industry successfully and be able to earn high income. I know some of you that are watching this own other businesses, and you might be saying to yourself, well, Nicole, I know how to run a business. I get that, and I respect that, right? Me too. I thought that too, because I had owned companies before I got into the cell phone industry, and I thought, well, this is just like any other company. I found out pretty quickly that it's not. It's not like any other industry, okay? We have challenges like Google's algorithm not allowing our keywords to rank. We're one of the only industries that they're targeted. So you can't just do, like, say you're an attorney and you want to open some franchises, or maybe you want to open multiple locations, or maybe you just want to have one location and retire, right? Maybe with your law firm, or maybe you're a construction owner, or maybe you own a boutique or a salon. With your business, you could have just paid for ads, Facebook ads, Google pay-per-click. If you've dealt with anything with business before, those terms you've got to be familiar with. In the cell phone industry, you can't. You've got to have someone on your side that understands how to beat the Google algorithm. And we actually have partnerships with companies that do, which is a very limited number. And we give you those in class. We also teach you about how to grow in your community. Now you may say, oh yeah, just open up a location and put a sign, there you go, people are going to come. It doesn't work that way. And since you have the ad issue, you can't just open your facility and run ads. It doesn't work that way. You've got to ingrain yourself in the community. So that's probably the main thing that makes us different, is that we spend the time to teach you how to earn the income. Not just the repair, but we do also, of course, teach you the repair. Also is our class sizes. We have 10 seats and 2 instructors for a cell phone course. If you come to our computer course, it's only 6 seats and 1 instructor. So, and sometimes there's a helper. So you're gonna get a lot more of one-on-one. You're gonna be able to hear. It's not gonna be a huge, big room. This is actually our training center in Greenville, South Carolina. You'll actually sit at a workstation. Yes, we've made our own workstations. I know some places have big, fancy workstations. Do you know why? It's because these workstations get tore up, okay? You burn them, you melt things on them. So what we do is the tops, we're able to remove them and put new ones every couple of months so they look like brand new desks, okay? We implemented that a couple years ago after we spent money on expensive workstations and they just got tore up and they looked raunchy. So it's like, well, let's build them, and this way the tops are pre-cut, and then we, $20 a top. Every other month we replace them so they look like brand new desks. We also have little plastic desks, like little filing systems. Now, why do we have that? Why don't we have nice fancy metal ones, right? If you're someone that's looking like, oh, that looks cheap. It's not cheap. It's because we do mobile training. There's a logic behind it. We literally can fit most of the small pieces into those 3 drawers. The big equipment we put in totes, and then we go off and we train big companies. We've got stores that are opening, have 7 staff, and we go on site and we train people there. If that's ever crossed your mind by looking at our workstations, you're completely wrong in the way that you're thinking about this. This is convenience. This is set up on purpose, okay? It's not that we don't want to invest money in high-end desks, okay? We've been there, done that. It's just we do mobile training and we like to keep the desks looking nice, okay? So I'm not going to comment on someone else's business, first off. It's not my job. I've never taken their course or someone else's course. I don't understand what they do or what their business model is. All I can do is tell you about us. I will give you some tips. Search social media. So that's probably the number one thing. If a business doesn't have a recognized social media page, something's wrong. Everybody should be on social media these days. That's just 101. Okay, social media is everything. Follow up with people that have left reviews. Maybe message some people that have left reviews. Get out there and actually read the reviews that aren't on their site. We don't type our own reviews on our site. We link them to a social media page. And some of you say, oh, I don't like that. I want to read reviews on your page. I don't want to open Facebook. I don't like Facebook. Well, you cannot like it all you want to, but the truth is, if the review isn't linked to where it was left, they could have typed it on their own. There are many industries that have that problem, and we're included, okay? People have friends leave reviews, they write their own reviews. That's not us, okay? Every single review can be traced to the person who left it. We probably have a picture of them online holding their certificate. These are not fake things. This is real things, okay? Just do your research, call us, feel free to call, and make sure you look at the site first. Don't call and say, how much are your courses? Come on now. The price is right at the top of the website. We put the information there for you to read. And when you come to class, there is a lot of reading as well for homework. So when you people call and say, what's the price? And I'm like, are you on the website? Yeah. Well, the price is right there in red. I don't mind telling you it's that if you can't read our website, are you going to be able to read the homework? Are you just someone who doesn't like to read, Take the time to read through the pages and do your research. I hope this video helped you. I hope it explains a little bit about us, what's important for us, and what we think you should learn. Check us out online, cellbotics.com. And I hope to hear from you soon. And thank you for checking out my video. If you want to, like and subscribe. Okay? Thanks, guys.